Hi everyone, so this was a requested video and it's not a video that I've seen on YouTube much, but yeah, I just thought I would finally do this video. As you'll see, this is a jewellery box. It's quite big. It comes with 2 keys and I've got a padlock, but I don't use it because it goes through there. And the padlock is inside, so yeah, I don't really use the padlock because there's not anything valuable inside this. So here is what is inside my jewellery box. As you see, it opens and then the front falls down like that, and then this bit lifts up. So it's got a mirror there, it's got a pouch, and then this is what's inside my jewellery box. It's a bit boring because obviously I'm not rich, so I can't afford lots of jewellery. So first of all are these little earrings. I used to always wear pink earrings. So there's 5 earrings there, and then this is a gollywog. My mum made this for me. She made it with beads, so this is actually made of just beads, and I really like it. I like it just because my mum made it. It's really cute. And I'll keep that forever. So thanks Mum, I love that. The next thing is a ring. My mum used to make things with beads a lot. Sorry about my nails, they're really bad. I've been biting them and doing all sorts like cleaning and stuff, so my nails are really bad. But yeah, my mum made me this ring. It's made of beads. Probably don't even fit my finger anymore, but so cute. And then the next thing is I got these 2. They're called peace birds. The badgers. The little like doves, and they're made of mother of pearl, but it's actually being coloured. Mother of pearl. Really cute. Maybe I'll wear these sometime, who knows. But I like them, they're really cute. And then the next thing is this little angel. It sits on top of a heart, and I actually found this outside when I was at a bus stop. It's not gold or anything, it's just made of metal. It's really cute. So I just picked it up, I had to. And then this is in there. Let's see if you can guess what this is and where it comes from. It's 2 little hearts on a silver chain with little crystals in. And this actually comes from a Britney Spears Curious perfume bottle. And that's where it's come from. I just thought it was cute, so I saved it and obviously threw the bottle away. So I'll put all them little things back in there. These are just like my little treasures. Some people have diamonds, but obviously I won't be having diamonds anytime yet. The next thing is this tag, and it's from Lime Park. And we visited Lime Park, which is a home, a National Trust property, and they gave me this, and it was a celebration thing. So I just kept it and I like it, so that stays as well. And then here are rings that I've got. I got this ring, it's got like little pink crystals in. I've always liked this. It's not silver or anything, it's just made of metal, but I just thought it was really, really cute. And then this ring, where's this one from? This one, I think it's from when I was with an ex-partner, and it's made of titanium, and I know that the little thing in the middle is an actual diamond, but yeah, I just kept it. It doesn't mean anything anymore, just kept it. And then this one is what friends got me. This is another titanium ring for black crystal in, but the ring is a bit too thick for my hands, so I never wear it, but I keep it in there. And then the next thing is, I used to work at a cinema called Cineworld, and this is my old badge, and I just kept it as obviously just to remember where I worked. Yeah, I used to love that job. This one is a glass ring, it's blue glass, and this came from Gran Canaria when I went with my dad to Gran Canaria. I like that a lot. This is a cross. I actually found this once on a floor in a nightclub. So yeah, I just kept that. And then this one is a bracelet my mum made from Swarovski crystals. It's actual Swarovski crystals. So thanks Mum, I love that. All these things to me are treasure, and I treasure them forever. Here's another little thing I found. It's an old key. I don't know why, I always find things on the floor when I'm outside, and I found this key and I just thought, I don't know, picked it up. So yeah, that's that. And then in this drawer I've got a St. Christopher. I actually bought this on eBay. It's actual silver, and it's a St. Christopher, and it's supposed to give you protection when you're on a plane. It's looking quite dirty, and I've never actually worn this, so I don't know why. And then in this one, it is my earring collection. I've got quite a few earrings actually. So these are like skulls with pink diamonds, a little dice, 2 little balls. These are from the Katie Price collection. That's a heel, that's a pair of underwear. This is a Vivienne Westwood orb earring. This is a Superman earring, and I've got another one of them somewhere. These are actual diamond earrings, but really, really small diamonds. And then these are my pink crystal earrings. And then in this one I've got some white cubic zirconia earrings, and then some red crystal earrings, and then some pink ones, and that's it. In the next drawer got another cubic zirconia, I've got a silver bracelet. I actually found this on the floor in Marks and Spencer's, and I just picked it up and kept it. And I've got this bracelet. It's actually got magnets in. It's one of the arthritis bracelets, and I actually found that as well. I'm really good at finding things. This is my old passport case. This is a cross that my dad gave to me. He actually found it, and it's got crystals in. It's silver, but it needs repolishing. It's got one stone missing. But my dad found that and gave me that. This is what my mum made for me. My mum made me this as well. I love them. And then my mum brought me this back from holiday. So, and that's the padlock for the case. So, inside here is just some bits of jewellery. And that's it basically. So, that is what is in my jewellery box. And hopefully one day I will get diamonds, maybe. So yeah, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks everyone. See you soon.